This outgoing batch of B student was very understanding, cooperative, and very hardworking. We expect some laurel from them in the ensuing exams. I wish them all the best in their future.
Okay, dear BETC students, the first time I got acquainted with you all was for the NAS and DST practicals. And I think what struck me most for those practicals was that you were always on time with your file completion submission. Many of you all would finish it on that day itself, like for example Yoshka, Shamin, they would finish it on that day itself, which was a very good quality to be appreciated. I also remember the students who would come late for practicals, and I had given them some warning also about what would happen if they continue late, and they thought I was just joking or I wouldn't keep up to my word. So they had to face some consequences, and for which they did it sportingly and without any grudges left over. So, and I think the best time a teacher bonds with the students is during the practical time. So I had a lot of interaction both for DSP and MES practicals, and I think that was the time I got to know you all in a much better way, and then it deepened, our relationship became better in the third year, fourth year, especially for the microwave practicals, where I think we all had a lot of fun with the radar experiments. And I think we both broke our heads together for the AWP fourth module. I think we did a good job of it, finally. So I think if you all put in your 99% of perspiration and God's 1% inspiration, you will do well. And all the best for the future. I hope you will continue. Always have good memories of PCC. Thank you.
Well, teaching your class was great fun because of the doubts that you all have asked, which have also helped me learn. You all have been a very good batch, I heard, right from the first year when I was not there. But you all have become a bit naughty, I should say, in the final year, which is good. I wish you all the best, and reaching for the stars is easy, but reaching for the stars with your foot on the ground is a task. And I wish you all reach for your stars with your foot on the ground, and in the process of reaching for the stars, please don't lose the star in you. So best of luck and good wishes.
Hello everyone. It's been an absolute pleasure teaching you all. In fact, I have been teaching you for the last 2 years. And one of the major important thing that I've actually noticed about this particular class is their attention to detail. You teach anything in class, even the smallest thing is actually something they're going to be asking what it is about, and they are always curious to learn. So it's like, it was like a wonderful experience in the sense you have to prepare in that particular fashion. You have to prepare, give attention to even the smallest detail. That's something I very much like and appreciate about this particular class. In addition to the academics that they have excelled in, they also have been good at number of activities like Nitya and so on and so forth. And many of them have been very close, very good friends. They have done good projects. This is the first time they actually applied for the Texas Instrument Innovation Project, and 3 of them were selected at the All India level. And they have done a lot of wonderful work. A lot of them are wonderful people. I enjoyed interacting with all of you. All the best in whatever you do. Thank you.
Given my dear BE students, I think I should say my dearest BE students. I remember the last year when you all came in the same way recording things for the previous batch, and I actually didn't have much to say. But today I my little Roy. There's so much to say, and I did not know what to say. You have been very special to me, and I think you are one class who I've taught the most, right from the second semester till now, till the 8th semester, barring one semester in between. So for almost 6 semesters, you all have tolerated me. Thanks for that. But I have thoroughly enjoyed teaching you. I think there are many things I like about your class, but one of the best things I like is the why in your class. All the whys that have asked me, they taught me more than probably what I have learned from other classes. Thanks a lot for all your questions. The other thing which I always probably told your class in the first year, when I realized how good your class was, or rather in the second year, I said, be united, take everybody along, just the way you all had done in your second semester. And right as I said, you all kept everybody knitted, you all kept everybody together. You all took everyone along, everybody from your class along. And that's what makes you all simply special to me. You all didn't leave anybody out in your class, maybe the worst people or the best people. You all always had one group. I think that's the strength of your class. So I wish you all the best. You will definitely do well wherever you all are, no doubt about that. And stay together, as you all have been in these 4 years. And do keep in touch. I'll miss all of you. Thank you so much.